Hey, there, face here. I think, I think I have I think I have a bad case of the sneezes. Excuse me. I will be right back with more Nick Jr.